Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for teriyaki. In keeping with our healthy January, let's make teriyaki turkey meatballs with noodles.
All right, let's make teriyaki turkey meatballs with noodles. It's still January, so we're still trying to eat healthy. We haven't broken those I didn't make any resolutions, but if you did and you're still on it, or you're just trying to be healthy for just because you want to, cool. We got another healthy dish for you. Today we are making teriyaki turkey meatballs with noodles. It's gonna be a delicious dish. This one is gonna come together real quick, and I kind of really want to taste it. So without further ado, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is make our teriyaki sauce. So in a pot on medium heat, we add 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of ginger powder. If you want to put some grated or some minced real garlic and ginger in there, that'd probably taste even better. I just don't have any I don't have any ginger right now. Let me just stir that up. Let it heat through. Once your sauce starts to simmer, turn the heat down to low. Then we add in our cornstarch slurry of 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water. We stir that in and then let this simmer until it starts to thicken, which is only going to take a little bit. And then once it's thick, you can see it's pretty thick there. Then we can kill the heat, set this aside. Then we thin slice some sugar snap peas. Then you peel and either julienne or grate some carrots. And then for our meatballs, we start with a pound of ground turkey, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, then some salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, and then we combine all this. And once that's combined, we go ahead and form our meatballs. And we want them kind of small like this, and they don't have to be super round or perfect in any way, shape, or form. And this should make about 20 meatballs. And there's our meatballs. Set these aside. Now to a large pot of water, we bring it up to a boil, season it like the ocean or your ex. And then you can use pretty much whatever noodles you want. I was looking for soba, but I couldn't find them. So I got these rice noodles. So just put them in, cook them to package directions. In my case, this is 4 to 6 minutes. In our last minute of cooking, we want to dump in those carrots and snap peas that we cut up. Stir that all in. When your time's up, your pasta's done, kill the heat, drain your pasta with the veggies, and then rinse them with cold water so they stop cooking. Set them aside until we need them. And then in a cast iron pan on medium heat, put a little bit of neutral oil in there, make sure it's nice and hot, and then we just put our meatballs in here. Then we just want to cook these, turn them pretty often until they're nice and golden brown on the outside, and then you can check them with an instant read thermometer, make sure they're 160, 165. And see, if your meatballs don't look perfect, you can just say they're rustic and artisanal. Once our meatballs have cooked, we add in our teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. A little bit of chili oil. A little bit of minced garlic, some sesame seeds, and then we're just gonna stir this around until all of your meatballs are coated. Add about a tablespoon of honey. We want to let that boil for a little bit until the sauce is reduced a little bit, and then the meatballs are all coated. Once your sauce is thickened, everything's coated, then we're just gonna put in our noodles here, along with our veggies, and we try to kind of combine everything. Make sure and make a huge mess. Once everything's combined, we put in the zest of a lime, the juice of that same lime, stir that in. Kill the heat, and we're ready to plate. Once you've separated some for your dog, then we put on some more sesame seeds and some sliced green onions. And there's our teriyaki turkey meatballs with noodles. Try saying that 5 times fast. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's really good. It's light. It's not too sweet. If you wanted it sweeter, you could add more sugar or more honey. It's perfect. That chili oil gives it a little bit of spice. It's just a healthy meal that tastes like it's not healthy, which I love. So 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. The teriyaki, you know, it's got that savory sweet mixture. It's just really good. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Feeling pretty good. Ready for those meatballs, bro.
We got these teriyaki turkey meatballs with noodles for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That's freaking good. The savory, sweet deliciousness of the sauce really elevates the meatballs and the noodles.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it.
Great dish, packed with flavor, delicious, also healthy. So if you're still on that New Year's resolution or just trying to eat healthier, this is a great option. You could even sub out the noodles for like veggie noodles or something else. But so go try it, go make it. Let me know how it is. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Really appreciate you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd mean a lot. We'd really appreciate that. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.